Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone, today we're doing chapter 17, problem 36, and we're given these three conjugated hydrocarbons that do not contain benzene ring, and it asks us which hydrocarbon are especially stable or unstable based on the number of pi electrons they contain. Explain your choice. So what we know about an aromatic compound is that it follows Huckel's 4n plus 2 rule of pi electrons. So that means n can be any positive integer or 0. So that means that we can have possible 2, 6, 10, 14, or so on and so forth pi electrons. And this is an aromatic compound. So what we know about aromatic compounds is because of the delocalization of these pi electrons, these compounds are unusually stable compared to non-conjugated, non-aromatic compounds. So in order to be aromatic, a few things need to be satisfied. Number one, they need to be fully conjugated, which these are, meaning that every single carbon in these cyclical structures must be an sp2 carbon. The second thing is that they must follow the 4n plus 2 rule, and lastly, they must be planar and cyclical in nature. So when something is fully aromatic, or it is aromatic, it is highly stable, more stable than expected because of those delocalization of pi electrons. However, if something is not aromatic, or what we say anti-aromatic, then it follows the 4n rule, with n being any positive integers. This means that it could be 4, 8, 12, etc. So when something's anti-aromatic, it is unusually unstable in terms of pi electrons. So anti-aromatic, it's still conjugated, but just the number of pi electrons doesn't match Huckel's 4n plus 2 rule. So if we look at these three, well, let's look at this first one here. So if we have every pi bond is made out of 2 electrons. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. So this actually falls under the anti-aromatic rule. So this is actually highly unstable. So now what about this middle one? Well, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pi electrons. So this actually falls under the aromatic 4n plus 2 rule. So this is highly stabilized. Well, what about this last one? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pi electrons. So this also falls into the anti-aromatic rule. So this is highly unstable.